لا it's okay, I'm just telling you, I thought you didn't know. مش عارفة.
7 minus 10 over x equal 2 plus 15 over x. How we can solve this question? How we can solve this question, grade 8? In case we have this question and we want to solve it. So how we are going to solve this question? 7 minus 10 over x equal 2 plus 15 over x. How we can solve it? We have to simplify both to connect a like term together. Then let's watch and then we will discuss.
Probably bothering you, because it's bothering me, is these x's that we have in the denominators right over here. We're like, well, how do we deal with that? Well, whenever we see an x in the denominator, the temptation is to multiply it by x. We can't just multiply one of the terms by x. We have to multiply the entire side by x. So we could multiply this entire side by x, but we can't just multiply the left-hand side by x. We'd also want to multiply the right-hand side by x. And so what will that give us? Well, we distribute the x. We get x times 7 is 7x. And then x times negative 10 over x, well, that's just going to be negative 10. So you get negative 10 right over there. So the left-hand side simplifies to 7x minus 10. And then your right-hand side, once again, distribute the x. X times 2 is 2x. X times 15 over x. Well, x times something over x is just going to be the something. X times 15 over x is just going to be 15 plus 15. So now we've simplified this to a linear equation. We have the variable on both sides, so we just have to do some of the techniques that we already know. So the first thing.
So in this case, did you note that we determined from the beginning that we have the denominator equal x? So once we have a denominator equal x, and the right side also we have the denominator equal x, so we will multiply both by 7, right? And after that, we distribute it over the parentheses. By the end, we have the same, you have 7x in the left side and 2x in the right side. So we want to remove the smaller one. So subtract 2x from both. So it will be 5x minus 10, and the right side we have 15. Now we will transfer, or we will add 10, the additive inverse of negative 10 in both. So it's up to you which way you like. Then it will be 5x equal 25, right? So what we have to do next? What you have to do?
Over 5.
Over 5, so we will divide it both by 5. Then by the end, we have x equal 5. So this is the solution of the question. Understood this one? Understood
Yes.
this question? And tell me the answer. So this is the second question. 20 minus 7x equal 6x minus 6. What's your opinion? How we can solve this question? 20 minus 7x equal 6x minus 6. Okay, Hannah, go on.
We will first transfer the smaller one to the bigger one.
The smaller one to the bigger one. Which one is the smaller here in this question?
6x.
6x, and this one is negative 7x, right?
Sorry, negative 7x.
It will be different if you will transfer the smaller or to the bigger to one side. It will give us a wrong answer or different answer, or it will give us by the end the same answer, Johanna.
It will give us a different answer.
Different answer. What's the opinion for the rest of the class? Adam.
Same answer.
Adam, are you here?
Same answer.
Adam.
Same answer.
It will give us. It will give us what, here, Adam? Answer. Same answer. Yes. So whatever. Don't worry, Hannah. If you would transfer the smaller to the bigger or the bigger to the smaller, by the end we have the same answer. Okay? So please answer it and tell me the answer. And all the class be ready to tell me the answer, please. I'm waiting for just 1 minute. Quickly. 20 minus.
Okay. 20 minus negative 6 Sorry. 20 plus 6 because we will transfer it.
20
Will-
plus 6 in the left
Yes.
side, you mean? Okay, 20 plus
Yes.
6. Yes, equal
Equal 6x plus 7x.
6x plus 7x. Very good. Any objection? Grade 8? She said something wrong. She said 20 plus 6 equals 6x plus 7. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, and then let someone
Yeah,
else continue, Hannah. Huh?
Okay.
Who will continue, guys? Lujaina Ayman? Lujaina Ayman?
Miss, can I ask a question?
Yes, sure.
Is the 20 negative
I'm
20
here.
or 20?
No, it's a 20, and you will transfer negative 6 to the opposite side, to the left side. So it will be 20 plus 6, okay? The right side, you have 6x, and you will transfer negative 7x. It will be positive 7x. Then we have 20 plus 6 and 6x plus 7. Lujaina Ayman, where are you, ya Lujaina?
Okay, I'm here. I'm
Continue.
here.
Continue, please, ya Lujaina.
Miss, she said that to transfer, صح?
Yes, yes. You wasn't here?
No, I'm just checking because yeah, I cannot see the screen.
Okay, she said,
Okay.
she said 20 plus 6 equals 6x plus 10. Then?
Okay, then
Oh.
can I just write it and send it to the WhatsApp group right now?
Okay, so
Okay.
let's continue this one. Let's continue. طب Khadija. Khadija, you can continue, please. Khadija, you can continue. We said 20 plus 6 equals 6x plus 7x. So we have 26 equal how many? 26 equal how many? Equal 13
13x.
equal 13x, right? So equal 13x. What is the next step? What is the next step? It will be, we will divide it by how many?
Over 13.
We will divide it by 13 in both
Over
sides.
13.
Okay, so x equal how many? So x equal 2,
2.
right? So the question was 20 minus 7x equal 6x minus 6. Let me explain to you something. Then 20 minus 7x equals 6x minus 6. We said that we want to transfer negative 7 to the right side. Then we said 20 plus 6. Why? Because it was negative and we will transfer it to the left side. So we have to change the sign. Then it will be 20 plus 6 equal 6x plus how many, grade 8? Plus how many? 6x plus
7x.
plus 7. Okay, 6x plus 7.
7x.
Then now we have what? It will be 20 plus 6 equal 26, and the opposite side we have 13x, right? So 13x, we have to divide by the coefficient before the variable. So we have 13x. We are looking for the value of 1x, right? Then it will be, we will divide it by 13, and we will divide it by 13. By the end, x equal how many? X equal how many?
2.
26 divided by 13. Then x equal how many? Then x equal 2, right? If we want to check what we have to do, if we want to check the answer, now we found that the value of x equal 2, and you want to check your answer, so what we have to do? You will back to
We replace x by 2.
the original question, yes, and we will substitute the value of x by 2 in both two sides. So please use your calculator and tell me now, 20, or your mind, 20 minus 7 times 2. 7 times 2, it will be equal how many? 7 times 2 equal how many?
14.
14. And 20 minus
47.
14? No,
49.
20. No. 20 minus 14. It will be equal to
49.
how? 49. 7 times 2, it will be equal 14, right? Then
if
x equal 2, right? Then 7 times 2, it will be equal how many? 7 times 2, it will be
14.
equal 14, right? So it will be 20 minus 14 equal 6. So the opposite side. 6 multiplied by 2, it will be equal 12. 12 minus 6 equal how many? 12 minus 6 equal how many? 6. Then both two sides are equal 6, and here the denominator, it was equal, the value of x equal 2, which means we solved the question correct. Okay, any question so far about this? Any question? Grade 8, any question?
by 8.
Multiply both sides by 8. From where you got 8? Yes, you are correct. From where you have 8? How do you know that we will multiply by 8?
The denominator?
The denominator, yes.
Because of the denominator.
First one here, I have 7. Sorry, I have 8. 3 out of 8, the first fraction. The second fraction is 3 out of 4, right? So we will check the bigger one. The bigger one can be divisible by the smaller one or can't? Which means 8 can be divisible by 4. Yes, we can. For this reason, we will multiply both sides by 8. So I will put them in a parentheses like this. And the other side also, I'm going to put them in a parentheses. And I will put 8. So I have 3 out of 4 x plus 2. And the opposite side, I will put 8. And then 3 out of 8 x minus 4. Okay? What we have to do next step? What we have to do next step?
Multiply 8 by 4.
We will
multiply 8
distribute-
by
yes,
brackets.
exactly. We will distribute 8 over the parentheses, which means 8 multiply. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Then 2 times 3, it will be 6x. Okay? Then 8 divided by 4, it will be equal to, then 2 multiplied by 3 equal 6x. And after that, 8 multiplied by 2 equal how many?
16.
Equal 16. Then we will distribute 8 over the parentheses. So 8 divided by 8, it will be equal 1. Then we have 3x. And after that, 8 multiplied by negative 4, it will be how many? 8 negative 32. Okay, so it will be negative 32. What is the next step now? I have 6x plus 21 equal 3x minus 32. What is the next step?
Transfer.
Okay, we will transfer. So we have in the left side, I have 6x. In the right side, I have 3x. So I will try to combine them together. So it will be 6x minus 3x equal negative 32 minus
16.
minus 16. Exactly. Then now we have 6x minus 3x equal how many? Grade 8.
3x.
X minus 3x. It will be equal 3x. What about the right side? Negative 32 minus 16. It will be
Negative 48. Negative 48.
negative 48. What is the next step?
Over 3.
Over or divided by 3. Divided by 3. Then the answer now it will be x equal how many?
Negative 16.
Equal negative 16. So this is the final answer, which is x equal negative 16. So whatever we have a fraction, we have an integer, we have a decimal number, the methods are the same. But especially with the fraction, when you have a fraction, we are going to look at the denominator. You will check first. 8 can be divisible by 4? Yes, we can. So we will choose 8. What about if it wasn't divisible by 4? It didn't divisible by 4. So we can find the least common multiple. In case if you don't know how you can calculate the least common multiple, you can multiply them together. Whatever, it will give us the same answer by the end. Okay, any question about this part? Any question? Easy? Now
So we'll make -6 divided 3/8.
Exactly. So we have different ways in this step. This is 3 out of 8, x equal -6. So we can say x equal -6 divided by 3/8. So by the end, x, it will be equal -16. Or we can say that we will multiply by the reciprocal for both sides, which means what is the reciprocal for 3/8? What is the reciprocal for 3/8? It will be how many? The reciprocal, the multiplicative inverse of 3/8, it will be what? 8/3, right? It will be 8/3. Then x, it will be also equal -16. So as I said, different ways, it will give us by the end the same answer. Okay, any questions so far about this? So please try to solve this question. Solve for m. We are looking for the value of m. 12.6 plus 4m equal 9.6 plus 8m. So please tell me what is the answer. When you finish, tell me the answer, please.
Which we should say the answer or
Competition today. We are looking for the top 5. X plus 4/5 equal 2x plus 1/3. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer.